Using Relative Finder to compare his DNA with other 23andMe members, George found out that René could be his fifth cousin. This means that George and René could share great-great-great-great-grandparents. I'll show you how cousins work. To make this simpler, let's just look at cousins on your mother's side. Your first cousin is the child of your mother's brother or sister. So you and your first cousin share two grandparents. Your second cousin is the child of your mother's first cousin, who is also your first cousin once removed, because you were separated from this cousin by one generation. You don't share grandparents with your second cousin, but you do share great-grandparents. So, if we jump ahead, your fifth cousin is the child of your mother's fourth cousin, and you share great-great-great-great-grandparents. Need more time? Hit the pause button and take a closer look. Go ahead. We'll wait. Discovering a fifth cousin can help you learn about your family's distant past. Who were your great-great-great-great-grandparents? You actually have quite a few of them in your family tree. 64, in fact. Surprised? Well, since everyone has two biological parents, your grandparents double as you go back in time. All these pairs of great-great-great-great-grandparents have descendants, which means that you may have loads of fifth cousins out there, waiting to be discovered. Your family tree is probably a lot more interesting than you thought it was. Now that George and René know that they have a family connection, they are going to compare what they know about their family trees, like surnames, migration stories, and family legends. Maybe they'll discover something about those two great-great-great-great-grandparents they have in common. And who knows what they'll discover about themselves. Until now, DNA tests could only trace teeny fragments of your family tree. That's because they only used your mitochondrial DNA, which can trace your ancestry from your mother, to your mother's mother, to your mother's mother's mother, down your maternal line, and if you are male, your Y chromosome, which can trace your ancestry from your father, to your father's father, to your father's father's father, and so forth, down your paternal line. But with 23andMe's Relative Finder, you can discover ancestors from all branches of your family tree. You never know who you might find.